Hey everyone, I am Adrian and we are here in the Totem Park residence at University of British Columbia and we're with the ILSC Junior Camp. So today I'm going to share 10 tips for you to make the most out of ILSC camp. So first one, don't forget to bring a towel. You have no idea how many kids forgot to bring their towels and we had to walk all the way out of campus to help them grab towels. And that wasted a lot of time when they could be doing fun activities and getting to know other people. So bring your towel. Second, keep an open mind. We have a lot of different activities, probably some that you've never tried before and you might be scared, anxious to try it. Completely fair, but keep an open mind. It's gonna be fun. These activities exist for a reason. So yeah, just enjoy and participate. Thirdly, speak English so that everyone can communicate. There are so many different cultures, people from different countries in this camp, and if you only speak in your language, you really limit how many people you can get to know, how many people you can talk to. So make friends with people from other countries. That's a main one. And fourth, be prepared for activities. Don't be on your phone. If you're told to go down at 5 for maybe, let's say, water sports, that's what we had today, go down at 5. You don't want to miss out. Everything's fun. I'm having fun. The kids are having fun. You're going to have fun. Fifth, live in the moment. Enjoy. Time flies. People are bawling. People are crying at graduation. So make the most out of your camp life and just live in the present. Stay off the devices. You can do that at home. 6, think of a bucket list. You're in a new country. There might be things you're excited to do. So think of a bucket list. Something you can check off as you are finishing up the camp, wrapping up the camp. 7 would be engage and get to know your teachers. Your teachers are awesome people, just like us activity leaders. We had the chance to get to know a lot of our kids, but the teachers, you're only with students for around 3 hours a day, but get to know them. Give them a chance. They're great people. 8, bring a water bottle. We don't have water bottles. We have the non-reusable, disposable water bottles. So bring your own water bottles. Save the environment, guys. Take pictures for your parents. They paid good money for you to be at the camp, and they would love to see what you've been up to, what they're paying for, how much fun you're having. So take photos, report back to your parents, let them know how much fun you're having. And lastly, come with extra space in your luggage. We just have a bunch of Brazilian kids leave us. Really sad, and one major problem that we had was that they couldn't fit everything they bought into their luggage, and they had to spend all night trying to figure out how they're gonna fit it in, if it's overweight, how they're gonna get it on the plane. So bring an extra luggage or more luggage space, because you are gonna buy a lot of stuff. That's it. See you next time.